Couple of young white people dead. Couple of fellas holding the gun. Houston, Indianapolis. Then we're going to answer a question. Well, Colin, how does that happen? How does that happen? Then we're going to take a look at a judge that lets people out on their signature after committing a series of armed robberies. That's how it happened.
On a cold, snowy day, January 12th, police found a man shot to death, a murder that devastated the family of Richard Petrie Jr.
Such a shock. God, he was invincible.
The 42-year-old murder victim worked as a contractor. Dina says this is her favorite picture of her cousin running on the beach with his grandson while attending his mother's funeral.
We were a very close family, so we're very deeply saddened by this loss. I mean, he was everybody's best friend.
Police say this man, 26-year-old Derek Warner, is responsible for the killing, and an arrest warrant was issued for Warner earlier this week.
Over in Toledo, this guy went with his sister to sell a game station to a fella. They thought they chose a safe public place, parking lot at the Toledo Art Museum. They handed over the game station. The fella handed over the money. It was counterfeit. This guy said something about it. The fella took a gun out and killed him. Yeah, that just happened. Now, why don't we go down to Houston, Pasadena County? Well, you won't believe this.
Strong words to a Harris County judge from the Pasadena police chief after a suspect is released on a personal recognizance bond several times. That man is also accused in several armed robberies.
It's disappointing that you have a defendant charged with multiple violent felonies, including an armed robbery and shooting at witnesses, that's allowed to walk out of the front doors of the jail with just his signature that he'll appear in court again.
Please, sir, I want some more.
This is what criminal justice reform looks like. Too many black people in prison for no reason whatsoever, so we got to let them out, and we can't let them stay in jail because, well, that's just criminalizing poverty, even if white kids die, because nobody cares about that. What they do care about is making the black kids angry.